पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ ईशावास्यमिदगुं सर्वम् यत्किञ्च जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीथाः मा गृधः कस्य स्विद्धनम् कुर्वन्नेवेह कर्माणि जिजीविषेच्छतगुं समाः एवं त्वयि नान्यथेतोऽस्ति न कर्म लिप्यते नरे The first mantra of Ishavasyopanishad, addressing a sadhana chatushtaya sampanna adhikari who is a trivra mumukshu, desirer of moksha, whose priority is Atma Jnanam. First priority for him or for her is Jivan Mukti. That student may not know the words of Jivan Mukti, Moksha, all these things, but still, if that person desired to be free from sorrow, to be free from all limitations, if that person is desired to be free from sorrow or dukkham, limitations, all sorts of worries, that tivra ichha itself is called mumukshutvam. Suppose if a person is in Australia, America, some Russia, China, he do not know or she do not know what is moksha, liberation, atma jnana, self-realization. New idea has come to my mind. Suppose that person prefer a life without limitation, a life without sorrows and worries. Is there any life, such life is possible? Can I get that life? How to get it? Muktum ichha. I want to be free from these problems. I want to be free from this sorrow, worry, limitation. That ichha itself is called mumukshutvam. Whether he get guru or not, that is a different matter. Suppose a person desire, he is called a mumukshu. Even though suppose a person born in an orthodox family, traditional family, father, mother are spiritually oriented, if the person in that family is not having desire for moksha, there is no mumukshutvam. That is why where you are born is not the question. How your mind is important. How your mind is, what it desires. So the first mantra tells, O mumukshus, tivra jignasus, vividisha, sannyasis, and artham. Veditum ichuhu vividishuhu. A person who desire to know, renounce everything, renounce in the sense all other things are secondary. That is Vividisha, sannyasa. Not just wearing saffron clothes, but that person internally desire to know the truth, that which is defect free. So for such a sannyasi, Shastra says, understand that Isha Vasyam Idam Sarvam. This whole Jagat is pervaded by Achadanam, by that Satyam, and the whole Mithya is covered. Understand. To get Nishtha in that, Tena Tyaktena Bhunjitaha. So you protect yourself from these mithya vastus, mithya relations, mithya property, mithya possessions. Use them, but never hang to them. Use them intelligently, living intelligently. What is intelligent? Intelligence is that using them, keeping them where they are, what their position is. And you protect yourself from mithya prapancha, nama rupa prapancha, the satya vastu aham brahma atma asmi iti nishtha. You have to develop. That is the first mantra for a unnata adhikari, uttama adhikari ki anda shlokam. Mantra, first mantra. Who is having viveka, thorough viveka, discrimination, parikshalokan karmachitan brahmanaha nirvedam ayat. For a uttam adhikari viveki, vairagya sampannaha, shamadamadi shatka sampannaha, and tivra mumukshun is a uttam adhikari. Ellam irka illiya one tick pandikanu namakku. Irunda, and the first mantra is relevant for us. Upanishad need not come and say you are a Uttam Adhikari. Guru, Upanishad will not come and give certificate. Guru also tells once in a while, you are nice, you are very nice. What nice? How Guru knows? So, I am alone can know that how far I am mature. How do I know? How do I know? How you interact with the world without upsets. And you recover immediately. Frequency, FRI. Frequency of upsets are very less. Recovery from upsets is very soon. The intensity of upsets also very less. The FRA pathinda nama Uttam Adhikariya Madhyamama Adhamama ani taninjadam. So, is the calculation, monitor. யாருக்கு தெரியும் இல்லைன்னா மேல சிரிச்சுட்டே இருப்போம் குரு முன்னாடி in front of others. We may laugh, smile nicely. But உள்ளக்குள்ள ஒரு ஹர்ட், கில்ட் ஃபீலிங் வர்றி எல்லாம் அப்படியே ப்ரெஷர் ஆயிட்டுனா no use. Therefore, suppose if I have any problem, தகராறு அர்த்தம், சாதன சதுஷ்டய சம்பத்தில ஏதாவது குறை இருந்தா அந்த சாஸ்திர it won't go inside. It cannot go inside. Once the qualifications are not there, this shastra comes out as some tablets, children, once you ask them to swallow, what they do? They'll send it out. உள்ள போகவே போகாது, வாயிலிருந்து வெளியில வந்துடும் உடனே. It will not enter. அது மாதிரி நம்ம படிப்பு கூட சாதன சதுஷ்டய சம்பத்தி இல்லைன்னா இங்க இருந்து அப்படியே வந்துடும். இந்த காதுல கேட்டு இந்த காதுல போயிட்டே இருக்கும். அது இதெல்லாம் கண்ணுக்கு தெரியாது, அதுதான் ப்ராப்ளமே. Okay, next mantra tells, don't worry. If you are not having sadhana chatushtaya sampatti, suppose you are not able to assimilate this teaching, the highest Mahavakya, Suppose still you have that feeling, not able to grasp, not able to spend time for Shastra and all, do Karma Yoga. Second mantra, Kurvanneveha karmani jijivishet. Jijivishet, jivitum ichuhu. You desire for 100 years. Shatagam samaha. Samaha means years. Duration always governs. Dvitiya vibhakti, I said. Dvitiya vibhakti, here samaha. Years you desire. What for? Not to celebrations, no. All these are worldly celebrations. Every day or celebration. Not for that. Kurvan neveha karmani. Kurvan iha karmani. With the interest of performing vidhi, vihita, nitya, naimittika, agnihotradi karmani. Those actions prescribed by the Shastra, nitya karmani, naimittika karmani, compulsory duties, occasional duties, daily duties. To perform them, oh God, give me 100 years. You ask for that. Not 100 years for 100 years' sake. Even tortoise lives hundreds of years. Elephant lives. The tree also lives. Not for khao pivo maza karo, but I want to get chitta shuddhi by performing karma yoga anushtanena. Therefore, give up kamya karma. You have to supply all these things. Shastra is not interested, no? Shastra need not tell. This is Anuvada Vakyamanana. Shastra need not come and say, hey, you ask for 100 years. Shastra சொல்றதுக்கு முன்னாடியே நமக்கு 100 years வேணும்னு we are asking. But Shastra's intention is ask for 100 years to perform karma is the emphasis. Kurvan eva karmani. In doing, in performing the actions you ask for. That is Ayush Homam. Idhika Ayush Homam. You live long life and perform all your duties so that you will get some punyam. Therefore, you can go to higher lokas. At least you get nishkama karma if you perform. Kamya karma, reduce. Nishiddha karma, reduce. Avoid. Nishiddha karma, avoid. Kamya karma, reduce. Nishkama karma, perform. Even reduce prayaschitta karma also. Once your kamya karmas are reduced, you are doing nishkama karma. Prayaschittame தேவையில்லை. புரியுறதோ? காமிய கர்மா பண்ணாதானே எல்லாமே விதி நிஷேதா தப்பு இதெல்லாம் இருக்கும். கரச்சரண கிருதம் வா காயஜம் கர்மஜம் வா இந்த மாதிரி பிரார்த்தனை எல்லாம் பண்ண வேண்டியது இருக்கும். யானி காணிச்ச பாபானி ஜன்மான் கிருதானிச்ச பிரதட்சணம் பண்ணி நிறைய பிராயசித்தம் பண்ண வேண்டியது இருக்கும். ஆயாசம், பணம் செலவு, இந்த பிராயசித்தம் எல்லாம் தேவையே இல்லைன்னா நிஷ்காம கர்ம பண்ணு. அது என்ன நிஷ்காம கர்மன்னா, ஞான வைராகிய சித்தியர்த்தம் ஐ டு கர்மா, ஈஸ்வர பிரசாதேன பலம் ஸ்வீகரோமி, ஈஸ்வர பிரீத்தியர்த்தம் கர்ம கரோமி. For the sake of Ishvara, as a trustee of this body, as a trustee of my household duties, I do all karmas. Not according to my whims and fancies or likes and dislikes. I do my duty for duty's sake. That is nishkama karma. For chitta shuddhi. Whatever result comes, I don't mind. I don't bother in result. Not result oriented mind. I have an attitude when I am performing the duty only for Ishvara Prityartham. Therefore, remember God in every one of your actions. Ishvara Prityartham karma kuru. And then prasadam, phalam prasadam, Ishvara prasada drishtya phalam swikaru. Adi nishkama karma. If you do like that, what will happen? Evam tvayi na anyatha ataha itaha asti na karma lipyate nare. We have to see the second line. Itaha means other than this karma, karma yoga. Karma will bind you. Ordinary karma, materialistic karma, only for material pleasures, that will bind you. Karma yoga will not, na lipyate. You will not get papam. You will not fall again in this cycle of birth and death. Na lipyate. Karma na lipyate. That is actually the Chandasa Prayogam. Shankaracharya says you have to convert this into karmana na lipyate, and correct actually. Karma na limpati is the correct grammatically. But Upanishad is using. We have no right to say you are Upanishad, you are wrong అని சொல்லக்கூடாது. అది గ్రామర్ தெரியலன்னா ப்ராப்ளமே இல்லை, గ్రామర్ தெரிஞ்சா கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்ளம். ந கர்ம லிப்யதே అని இருக்கக்கூடாது. Karmana na lipyate. By that karma yoga, he will not be punished, means he will not get any papam anartham. Na lipyate means he will not get any papam. Karmana na lipyate. Karma na limpati. You can avoid papam. Na anyatha itaha asti. To avoid papam, why? Papam alone is leading to next janma. Punya papa mishram. So to avoid papam, there is no other way, there is no other method. Anyatha itaha. Itaha means other than this. Anyaha prakarantaram nasti iti. Na anyatha means other alternate method than karma yoga. Other than this karma yoga, no other method is available to avoid papam. Therefore, better perform karma yoga. Live a life of a karma yoga. Karma yogi anartham. Karma yogi bhavarjuna. Bhagavan Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, niyatam kuru karmatvam karmadhyayo hya karmanaha sharira yatra pichate. Even sharira yatra is difficult without karma. Performing karma is better than not performing karma. Therefore, do karma. Convert slowly into karma yoga. Laziya ukaradena. That is sometimes pleasant duties, unpleasant duties. That's why our Shastra typically December, January get up early morning and adida namakku pidikadu. Early morning you have to get up. Early morning is breakfast udane saapidana. No, you have to take bath anna. Asale winter, summer anna kuda parvale. Winter enna ethana rituals. How many disciplines our Shastra putting in? Shastra knows this body is so lazy. People take to that laziness very easily. That's why Shastra prescribes lot of rituals. That's why Swamini adi pannanuma ani don't ask. Enna pannala enna honna mullama, laziness will come. Kulichittu pannanuma, kulikamale pannanuma, oru vaati kulicha pohada. யார் சாப்பிடணுமா சாப்பிடக்கூடாதுன்னு கேட்க மாட்டான். Everybody asks whether to take bath or not. They will ask like this too before that performing ritual. அது உபவாசம் இருக்கும்போது என்ன சாப்பிடணும் இதெல்லாம் கேட்க மாட்டான். சாப்பிடுற விஷயத்துல மாத்திரம் எல்லாம் 4 வேளைல கொஞ்சம் வேஸ்ட் ஆகாமலே எல்லாமே ஐட்டம்ஸ் should be there. So என்ன ஈட்டிங்ல எல்லாருக்கும் பிடிக்கும். குளிக்கிறதுன்னா பிரதர்ஷனம் பண்றதுன்னா அங்க போய் இங்க போய் ஏதாவது பண்ணணும்னா அது பிடிக்காது. That's why Shastra command. As long as you are hating that karma, Shastra will command. If you have taken it as a discipline, self-discipline, that Shastra will not command you because you will not violate. That is why karma yogaha eva margaha, no other way. That is the artham. Evam tvayi, for you, tvayi, na anyatha itaha asti. There is no other alternate method to come out of papa to you. Narrate for a human being. Next mantra we'll read. Mantra number 3. Asurya namate lokaha andhena tamasavritaha तागंस्ते प्रेत्याभिगच्छन्ति एके चात्महनो जनाः Still there are some more points before going to that third mantra. Third mantra is going to start the elaboration of the first mantra. So there is a discussion take place in this in between the second mantra and third mantra. So having read that mantra, still there are some more points I would like to mention here. Since you have come to the 7th Upanishad, I would like to go more deeply into Bhashyam. Bhashyam, commentary of Adi Shankaracharya, and not only that, even to the sub-commentary also I am going to. Please, you have to put up with me, then only you can understand. That is Anandagiri is another commentator who comments upon the Shankara Bhashyam. So, what is the vichara here? How important it is we can understand. The subject matter what I would like to discuss here is, I have already pointed out this second mantra belongs to the Karma Kanda mantra. First mantra belongs to Jnana Kanda, Jnana Yoga. This is Karma Yoga. The Purva Pakshi comes and asks, how do you know these are both are separate? There is another argument comes. But exact elaboration more he takes in the 9th mantra, Acharya. But here he gives the Shruti Pramanam. In this third mantra he gives Shruti Pramanam. Based on that, I will give important points. Shankaracharya, very important topic for a Tivra Mumukshu. இது படிக்கல என்ன மோட்சம் வராதா சுவாமின்னு கேட்காதுங்கோ. மோட்சம் வரும், பட் சம்டைம்ஸ் யூ வில் கெட் டவுட்ஸ். ஓகே, மோட்சம் வந்தான்னா சம்சய ரஹித ஞானமேவ ஞானம். ஸோ பெட்டர் லெட் அஸ் கிளாரிஃபை ஆல் த டவுட்ஸ். Simple only, not so very difficult. Shankaracharya established Jnana Karma Virodhahana. Jnanam and Karma cannot be combined together. The combination is called Samuchaya. In Vedantic term, it is a Samuchaya means combination. Through lot of reasons, giving reasons here, Shankaracharya establishes that Jnana is meant for one person, one adhikari. Karma is meant for another adhikari. How the Shruti shows here that Virodha here. First reason Shankaracharya gives is, first mantra first mantra talking about the Kriya Karaka, that Tyaga. Kriya Karaka Phala Tyaga. Kriya Karaka Phala Lakshana Jagat Tyagena. What is Kriya Karaka Phala? See your notes, first class, second class, okay, of Ishavashyam. I have already explained elaborately that day. Kriya Karaka Phala Lakshana Jagat Tyagena Bhunjithaha. Renounce the world by protecting yourself from the Mithya Jagat. Protect yourself by renouncing the world. Abide in Atma Swarupam anartham. Protect means what? Remember your nature. Never lose sight of your nature. That is the essence of the first mantra. Give up, give up, give up. Kriya Karaka. To perform any karma, karta is required. With what you do, instrument is required. For whom you perform is required, and with by what you do, and from what you do, where you do, all are karakas. Kriya is involved, karakas are involved. There in first mantra, you give up all these accessories. Karmave pandavenda. Whereas in the second mantra, kurvan karmani. By performing actions, you be free from papa. That means what? Kriya Karaka Phala Lakshanam Karma Agatam. Kriya Karaka Phala Lakshanam. Give up all accessories one place. Take up all accessories in another place. Take up all accessories means give up, take up. How both are possible? Impossible. Both are impossible. Therefore, second mantra talks about Kriya Karaka Phala Adaya. Adaya. Grasping, do karma. Therefore, how can you combine both Jnanam and karma? First mantra Tyaga, second mantra Adaya. Both cannot coexist. This is the reason. Therefore, these mantras are different for different seekers, different levels. So, Jnana Karma Samuchaya is impossible. Kartrutvam is here. In karma, Kartrutvam is required. Wife is required, Yajamana, wife, Dhanam, no, all. Dakshina Kudukaname first. Dakshina Kudukaname Panam Venume. Nalla Sampadikkaname. He has to go and do job. Enge sannyasam vaanga mudiyum? வேலை பண்ணணும், வேலை பண்ணாதான் தனம் வரும், தனம் வந்தாதான் கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்க முடியும், கல்யாணம் பண்ண வைஃப் இருந்தாதான் எல்லா ரிச்சுவல்ஸ் பண்ண முடியும். So rituals பண்ணாதான் you will be free from papa. Therefore this person is having all paraphernalia, big samsara. Whereas this sannyasi is not having anything. Veedu vaasane kutti kolandai. Student was staying with his guru. That guru wants to go on a Tirtha Yatra, some Kashi Yatra. So he asked his student, Shishya, நீ எல்லாம் பார்த்துக்கப்பா, இது எல்லாமே இந்த ஆசிரமம் எல்லாம் நீங்க பார்த்துக்கணும். I will go and come back after 1 year. Those days எல்லாம் walking only, not like flight, train. Those days even Kashi, they have to go by walk and it takes years together, time, a minimum 1 year. So the guru said, you take care of this ashram and Sishyan kitta solli. He went there. And the Sishya, he started taking care of the ashram. One day what happened, Sishya, brahmachari, he is having only angavastram, mela onnu, in the keela onnu. The gochi and julu illiya, either put it, one vastram da irke vere onnu kede ashram. One day a rat it has spoiled that vastram. Only 2 dresses than irukum pavam, those days. It got spoiled. Every day he is seeing how this rat, how to manage with this rat and Mushikam. Then he thought, good idea. ஒரு மார்ஜாலம் கொண்டு வந்த cat will take care of rat. So to protect his angavastram, kaupinam rakshanartham, to take care of the rat, he brought a cat. So அந்த cat வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் அந்த ராட்டே வரல அந்த பக்கம். So நல்லா இருக்கே, my idea is very good ன்னு சொல்லி அந்த cat மேவ் 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 cat is gone. இந்த பால் வேணுமே கேட்டுக்கு, என்ன பண்ணணும், என்ன சரி பாலுக்காக ஒரு மாடு வாங்கிட்டான், பசு மாடு. டெய்லி அதுல இருந்து பால் எடுத்துட்டு இந்த கேட்டுக்காக he is taking care of the cat and cow. After that the cat வந்த உடனே who will take care of that cow? It has also a baby calf. So he has to give grass, lot of food he has to give, he has to feed, then only it will give the milk. So he has brought one land, the land is there, not agriculture பண்றதுக்காக he called one servants in matter, some servants to take care of the cow. So he has forgotten to study Shastra. Totally from that time, idhe job, from morning onwards, he is taking care of the cow, cat, all other servants and all. நான் எல்லாம் பார்த்துக்க முடியாதுன்னு சொல்லி, and he had got married now. Finally, he got married and he got slowly children also. வீடு கொஞ்சம் பெருசாக்கணுமே, சின்ன ஆசிரமம் பத்தாது, he made கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன். அந்த பக்கம் ரூம், இந்த பக்கம் ரூம், 2-3 ரூம் கட்டிட்டு எல்லாம் பட்டாட்டமா குரு வந்ததுக்குள்ள he is thinking he has done a good job. And Guru is searching for his house. Guru came at last. He is searching, where is my ashram, where. This person is saying, already சமவித்தனம், இந்த பக்கம் ஒரு பையன், இந்த பக்கம் ஒரு பொண்ணு, ஆள் குழந்தை எல்லாம். Think that Guru might have come after 5 years, 6 years. Okay, ரெண்டு குழந்தை எல்லாம் இருக்கான். He is crying, oh Guru, please come here. நான் தான் அந்த சிஷ்யனை கூப்பிடுறான். ஏன்னா Guru is not able to recognize, because he never imagined that his shishya will do like this. கௌபீன ரக்ஷணார்த்தம் பட்டாட்டோபகன்னா இந்த மாதிரி என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? Therefore to do கர்மானா எத்தனை வேணும் ஆக்சசரிஸ்னா, சன்னியாசி இதெல்லாம் முடியுமா? முடியாது. சன்னியாசி என்னன்னா சன்னியாசியே இல்லை, அப்ப இதெல்லாம் என்ன அவர் ஒரு சம்சாரி ஆயிடும். அதுக்குதான் இந்த கர்மா ஆக்சசரிஸ் ஆர் டிஃபரெண்ட். யூ ஹாவ் டு டேக் அப், ஹியர் யூ ஹாவ் டு கிவ் அப். Therefore both you cannot combine. This is the first reason. A second reason, first mantra what it says, magradha kasya svidhanam. Never take either possess your property, don't claim your possessions, don't claim your property, even others' property also. Makasya svidhanam. That is the first mantra statement. Dhanatyagam. The second mantra, dhana sanchayanam. To perform kurvan neveha karmani. Karma பண்றதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்? ரிச்சுவல்ஸ் பண்ணணும், தனம் வேணும். தன சஞ்சயனம். So both are opposite. Dhana tyaga there, first mantra. Here dhana sanchayanam. Both cannot go together. This is the second reason. Then third reason is, here jijivishet shatagam samaha. Desired for 100 years, he said in the second mantra. First mantra, sannyasi, a vidwan, vividisha sannyasi or vidvat sannyasi never, should not ask for 100 years. Whether he likes, he should not hate the life, he should not want to continue more years. பண்ணவே கூடாது. That's why Acharya Anandagiri tells there, even Manusmriti also says, na abhinandet, for like's sake, na abhinandet. I want to live 100 years, I want to live 100 years. அந்த மாதிரி யோசனை கூட வரக்கூடாது சன்னியாசிக்கு. Na abhinandet maranam, na abhinandet jeevanam. Either to criticize or to take maranam, வேண்டாம் எனக்கு, லைஃப் வேணும். அப்போ என்ன லைஃப் வேணும்னு சொல்லி மரணம் வேண்டாம், அதையும் துவேஷமும் இருக்கக்கூடாது, ராகமும் இருக்கக்கூடாது. ரெண்டு விஷயத்துல, மரணம் விஷயம்ல ஜீவனம் விஷயம்ல கூட ராக துவேஷம் இருக்கக்கூடாது. யாருக்கு? சன்னியாசிக்கு. வேற கிரகஸ்தா சதகம் சமாஹா ஜிஜீவிஷேதன், யூ டிசைர், யூ ஆஸ்க் ஃபார். முடியுமா? இந்த ரெண்டுமே கம்பைன் ஆக முடியுமா? So both are entirely different. Shankaracharya says, பர்வத்தம் எப்படி ஸ்டடியா இருக்குமோ அந்த மாதிரி இந்த ஞான கர்ம சமுச்சய ஜாயின் ஆகணும்னு கிடையவே கிடையாது. அவ்வளவு ஃபேர்ம்னா தே ஆர் போத் ஆர் டிஃபரெண்ட் அங்கிற விஷயம் எவ்வளவு ஃபேர்ம்னா, ஒரு பர்வதம் எப்படி ஃபேர்மா இருக்குமோ அப்படி ஃபேர்ம்னா. ஞான கர்ம சமுச்சய நடக்கவே நடக்காது. அந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் இட் இஸ் சோ ஸ்டெடி லைக் எ மவுண்டெயின் கம்பேர் பண்றாரு அவர். நமக்கு இப்ப இதெல்லாம் ரெலவெண்டே கிடையாது. ஏன்னா நம்ம கர்மா பண்ணுறதே இல்லை இல்லையோ. தோஸ் டேஸ் பீப்புள் ஆர் வெரி மச் enamored by karma. That is why. This is the third reason. So the grihastha ashrami has to perform karma. He is a grihastha. Whereas sannyasi, so now karma is telling, ஏதோ தெரியாமல ரிஷிகேஷ் போயிட்டேன், நானும் சன்னியாசம் வாங்கிட்டேன், இப்போ கர்மா பண்றேன், அதனால திருப்பி கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். அப்படியெல்லாம் வரக்கூடாது. எல்லாம் ஒன்வே டிராபிக். சன்னியாசி திருப்பி ந பிரத்யாகச்சேத். He is not or she is not supposed to go to grihastha ashram. Therefore there is no chance of doing karma. Suppose இந்த சன்னியாசி அறக்குறை எறிந்து ஞானம் தெரியாமல் அங்கே போய் மாட்டிண்டி இந்த கர்மா பண்ணலையே கவலை, இப்படி பண்ணணும் ஆசை வந்தது, திருப்பி கிரகஸ்தாசிரமத்துக்கு வரேன்னு சொன்னா கூட சாஸ்திரம் will not allow. There is no permission. You are violating the shastra ன்னு அர்த்தம். Very difficult. That's why சன்னியாசாசிரமம்னு எல்லாருக்கும் பயம். அதுதான் காரணம். Fourth reason he gives, final reason, phalam, very important reason. Jnana yoga phalam is different, karma yoga phalam is different. Jnana yoga tells agatihi. Agati enna? Don't take in a negative sense. Avanu gatiye illannu solladingo. Agati enna, there is no path to travel. There is no need of traveling in any path. That is agatihi. Agatihi is the phalam for Jnana Yoga. He need not travel on the Surya Dvarena Vidaja, அதெல்லாம் கிடையாது. சுக்லகதி இதெல்லாம் no problem for this Jnani. Karma Yoga பண்ண கதி இருக்கு. Gati is the phalam for Karma Yoga. Shuklagati is the phalam. He goes to Brahmaloka and study there. All these things are there. So phalam, marga is prescribed for this karma yoga. Whereas in Jnana Yoga there is no gati. That phalam is different, this phalam is different. Agati is the phalam in Jnana Yoga, gati is the phalam in Karma Yoga. So roots are different. This is the fourth final reason. In this only Shankaracharya, other acharyas gives a lot of examples. Pramanam kudukanume, summa sonna kudadu, pramanam kudukanum. What is the pramanam? The shloka, its source is not known. Shankaracharya quotes, imau dvau panthanau anunishkrantatarau bhavataha. This shlokam, this is imau dvau panthanau anunishkrantatarau bhavataha kriyapadhascha eva purastad. Kriyapadhascha eva purastad. Beginning la karma yogam irkanam. Kriya means karma yoga. Kriya, purastad means beginning la. First purastad. Kriya padhascha, padhascha means marga. Patha means a way of life. Padhascha eva purastad. Sannyasascha uttarena. Later sannyasa. Dvau panthanau. This is one shloka. The source we do not know. So first person has to take karma yoga, then he can give up and come to Jnana Yoga. Or he take karma yoga and travel, go to higher lokas. Another shloka tells in Mahabharata Shanti Parvam, Vyasacharya tells to his son. Sonnuku chonnanna adu romba, you have to take it, pramanam. Any father will not give any wrong suggestion to any son. So Vyasacharya telling to his son Shuka, what is that? Dvau imau atha panthanau. Dvau imau atha panthanau. Karma yoga, gnana yoga atha panthanau. Yatra vedaha pratitishthitaha. Where the Vedas establishes this two margas, for Unnata Adhikari Gnana Marga, for Madhyama Manda Adhikari Karma Marga, Karma Yoga. So Dvau imau atha panthanau yatra vedaha pratishthitaha pravritti lakshano dharmaha. Pravritti lakshano dharmaha means you can understand what is it. Pravritti means what? Karma yoga. Pravritti means karma yoga. Nivrittischa vibhavitaha. Nivritti means sannyasa. These two are said by Vyasa Bhagavan to his son. That's why Vyasa Bhagavan son enna pannitar Shuka? Gone, taken sannyasa. Vyasar kopame undachi. Tumma solluvanga. If their son children takes, no, they don't like. Swamini is great, Swamiji is great, but my children should not take. Adi madri, tumma solla joke. I am not asking you to encourage your children to take sannyasa. So it's so difficult to allow. So Vyasacharya tells this to his son. Then Anandagiri quotes from Narayanopanishad, Taittiriyanlo. Narayanopanishad and the 4th valli, 4 vallis are there. The Narayanopanishad also, Nyasa eva atyarechayat, says Narayanvalli says, Nyasa means sannyasa eva is superior. Atyarechayat means superior. Renunciation is alone is superior. For this karma yogi, the mantra tells, Agnena Yes, supatha supadotyantena, supatha antyena. In the end of the life, supatha means nalla margam venume. How? Agnena. By doing Agnihotram, that Agni doing courier service, no, he will take. Mundakopanishad care of. You can see that also. In Narayanavalli also they said. So there are already distinctly prescribed for two seekers, different seekers, for two paths are there, two results are there. Therefore, if you are very, very interested in telling Jnana Karma together, I will accept. Finally, Jnana Karma Krama Samuchaya. Not Sama Samuchaya, Krama Samuchaya. Sama means simultaneously. Jnanam Karmam simultaneous Pandakudad. Unakkaha na uttagre Krama Samuchaya. Anna one after the other. First Karma Yoga, adukapra Jnana Yoga. Krama Samuchaya uttagre. Ipo konja truptiya irukka unakku? Okay. இதெல்ல பேக்ரவுண்ட். என்ன கிரவுண்டோ நமக்கு எதுக்கு இதெல்லாம் தேவையான்னு தோணும் நமக்கு. பட் யூ கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் future how is important. Now in this mantra, third mantra, asurya namate lokaha. Now we look into this meaning. Okay, now the 4 reasons over. Jnana karma samasamuchaya is not possible. Only krama samuchaya is possible. Everyone has to do karma. Those who cannot grasp the teaching at a stretch, better continue your puja vidhanam and all. Slowly study Vedanta, and once you get this nishtha, adi tanave urvarukamiva bandhana. You will not ask, Swamini pandanama ani kekamattadu. Adi kekamali tanave poyidam. அதுதான் grow gracefully, mature gracefully. If you ask me, Swami பண்ணணுமா, நான் என்ன சொல்லுவேன்? பண்ணுன்னு சொல்லுவேன். ஏன்னா it should come from within you. சீக்ரெட் சொல்லிட்டே சுவாமி, அப்பப்போ சொல்லணும் இல்லையோ? Paravale. Okay, you are all advanced students. I know that you don't misunderstand. Now, Asuryaha namate lokaha. Lokaha means what? First meaning we'll see. Lokyate anena iti lokaha. Lokyate anu bhuyate bhunjate bhunjante iti lokaha. Literal meaning is also there. Literal meaning is worlds. All these higher worlds. 14 lokas called lokaha. Here lokaha means body, which is an object of experience. This is experiencing instrument. So lokaha means body, with which you enjoy all sense pleasures. Lokaha. Then the next word, Asuryaha nama. Nama is another nipatam here. Nirarthakam avyayam. That is, there is no use of that nama word. But you can take this Asuryaha means. Asuryaha means Asuraha. Asusu ramante iti Asuraha. Asu means sense organs. Ramante means reveling. Reveling in the sense pleasures. No? Reveling in the pleasures. By using what you revel? Sense organs. Ashushu ramante. Reveling in the sense organs and the enjoyment, entertainment. Ashushu ramante iti asuryaha. Even devatas are also, if they, that's why Rakshasas, these, all these asuras, why they called asuras, they always enjoying the, seeing or enjoying, listening, drinking, every enjoyment. All these sense pleasures, immersed fully in sense pleasures. How the present society is carried away by the TV. Sense pleasure. Shabdam, Chakshurindriyam, Shrotrayendriyam. Vare Anandam, Kushiyo, Kushiyana. Yeah, who are they? Asuraha. Even Indra, Varuna, Vayu, Agni, Rambha, Urosi, Tirotama, Menaka, all these people are dance, they are doing, dance, dhimin, vare dance pannumbodhu. Idella ukkarande, oru pakka amrutam, oru pakka dance, ella. Indra also Asuraha only. ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. என்ன சுவாமி இந்திரனே போய் அசுரானா என்ன பண்றது மாதிரி? இஸ் ரிவெலிங் இன் சென்ஸ் பிளஷர்ஸ். அக்னி, வாயு, வருண, అందరూ all devatas sitting in the line queue, enjoying the amritam. All these so-called people also, rich people also, all asuraha. Even any person who enjoys always in sense pleasures, all people are called asuras. Andhantama avritaha. Their lokas, where they are going, these people, these asuras, who are all enjoying the sense pleasures all the time. Pallu care, hair care, skin care, jagrata vechite, Ipo 50 years old lady has to appear as a 25 year. If you go to a beauty parlor, she will make you. Now you see, you are not 50. Look at the mirror, you are 25. People are struggling to look young. They want to enjoy pleasures. So where they go? They go to dark, andhantama avritaha. They go to such places where full of darkness is there. அவ்வளோ டார்க்கா இருக்கோம்னா கும் இருட்டுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, கும் இருட்டுగా இருக்கும் அங்க. ஏன்? not only that, they are all, they go to other lokas when pretya means after leaving this body, after maranam, pretya abhigachanti, to those dark worlds they will go after their death. This is called, even Indra also, why you are criticizing, we are not interested in criticizing Indra. All these asuryaha means avidvangal anartham. All unintelligent people, ignorant people anartham, who are all reveling in sense pleasures, they are called ignorant people, avidwan anartham. All these people, why we are criticizing? We are not interested in criticizing. We are interested in stuti of a jnani. Nahi ninda nyaya. This is Nahi ninda nyaya is a nyaya. It is a logic. What is that? Very important. Many places Shastra does this. Nahi ninda nyayana. Ninda means criticizing, hating, negating. Ninda is not for ninda. Ninda is for stuti. Even நிந்தனை பண்றது எதுக்காகன்னா, இவன் ஸ்துதி பண்ணணும்னா ஞானினி ஸ்துதி பண்ணணும்னா அஜ்ஞானினி நிந்த பண்ணணும். ஸோ அஜ்ஞானி நிந்தா இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஞானி ஸ்துதி. சொல்லவே வேண்டாம். சொல்லாமலே டூ பீப்புள் ஆர் ஸ்டாண்டிங், இவனை ரொம்ப இன்டெலிஜென்ட்னு சொன்ன அதர் பர்சன் அன்இன்டெலிஜென்ட், நாட் இன்டெலிஜென்ட் சொல்லாமலே சொல்லுறது. அதே மாதிரி all these ignorant people goes to dark lokas and they are all unintelligent people. Pretya abhigachanti, they will fall in the dark lokas after their death. Why ninda here? Intelligent people will go to bright lokas, not lokas, bright. They understand the ever effulgent Atma. That's artham. Very powerful mantra. Not only that, these unintelligent people, Atmahanaha, they are the killers of Atma. கேட்கறதுக்கே எனக்குன்னா அப்படியே ஹார்டிகுலேஷன்ஸ் வருது பாடியில். சொல்லாதீங்க சுவாமினி. ஆத்மஹனஹான்னு ஏகே ச ஆத்மஹனோ ஜனாஹ. ஆத்மஹனஹ means the killers of Atma. These all asuryaha, these people are all killers of Atma, who are all not knowing the Atma and doing only karma all the time, reveling in sense pleasures. These people are all killers of Atma. Swamini, you only said in Bhagavad Gita, Najayate mriyate va kadachit. Atma nobody can kill. நைனன் சிந்தந்தி சஸ்திராணி நைனன் தகதி பாவக்கா. அப்பவே மறந்துட்டாள. இப்ப ஆத்ம ஹனாஹன்னு சொல்லலாமா உபனிஷத்துன்னு? ஹவு டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்னா, இட் இஸ் ஆஸ் குட் ஆஸ் கில்லிங். It is as good as killing. Not knowing the Atma means what? If I do not know Atma, அந்த ஆத்மானுடைய சக்தி பலம், வரவேண்டிய பலம் எனக்கு வராது. Ajaraha, Amaraha, Atma, I do not know. If I am enjoying, reveling in sense pleasures, not renouncing anything, carried away by the sense, mind, body, sense complex, and giving importance to the all mithya prapancha, and what am I doing? I am covering the Atma. Here, Hanaha means covering. Ajnani ninda, jnani stuti. Dvaita ninda, advaita stuti. Samsara ninda, moksha stuti. Nahi nindarthana. Parantu stutyartham. Cholli, and the statement cholva, nahi nindartham, parantu ninda stutyartham. Cholva. The statement appadiye Sanskrit la. Nahi ninda nindartham parantu anyastutyartham. So Atma, as it were, is killing. Because not knowing the Atma, Atma hanaha means final meaning is ignorant people and vechukongale. Avada ignorant people. Nitya Atmanaha katham hananam sambhavati iti prashna. How eternal Atma can be killed by anyone? Not killed. పుస్తకస్య చ విద్యా పరహస్త ధనం. ஓகே, வித்யா புஸ்தகம்ல இருக்கா, அந்த வித்யா எனக்கு என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? இட் இஸ் ஆஸ் குட் ஆஸ் நாட் ஹேவிங் வித்யா. புஸ்தகம்ல இருக்கிற வித்யா எனக்கு யூஸ்லெஸ். நோ, பரஹஸ்த தனம், மை மணி இஸ் இன் பரஹஸ்தம், இன் அதர்ஸ் ஹேண்ட்ஸ். ஐ ஆம் ஆஸ் குட் ஆஸ் எ பூர் பர்சன். எஸ் ஆர் நோ? அது மாதிரி நான் ஆத்மான்னு அறியலன்னா அந்த ஆத்ம ஞானத்தினால் வரவேண்டிய ஆனந்தம், சுகம், திருப்தி, அகம் சுத்த புத்த முக்த ஸ்வரூபான்னு சொல்லாமலே ஐ ஆம் பத்தஹா, ஐ ஆம் பிட்டி, ஆல் த டைம் கிரையிங். நோ, ஸோ இட் ఈస్ యాజ్ గుడ్ యాజ్ కవరింగ్ ద ఆత్మ ఈజ్ కిల్లింగ్ ద ఆత్మ. సూయిసైడ్ అన్నమాట అర్థం. ఇట్ ఈస్ యాజ్ గుడ్ యాజ్ సూయిసైడ్. ఆల్ అజ్ఞానీస్ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ సూయిసైడ్ అని అర్థం. சில வேர்ட்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ண கேட்கறதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் காதுல கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். உபனிஷத்துக்கு ரொம்ப கோபமே வருது, என்ன பண்றது? ஆத்மஹனஹ अंधेन आवृताः उच्च लोकास देखो अंधेन तमसावृताः. Tamas means darkness. Darkness represents ignorance. Ignorance of what? Atma. Because of the ignorance of the Atma, this person is covering the Atma, not knowing the Atma. Therefore, he is going to travel in dark lokas. Okay, let him travel, Swamini. If he travels next birth, enna birth theriyuma? கருப்பாம்பூச்சி, அவ்வளவுதான். நெக்ஸ்ட் பர்த்ல என்ன ஆக போறானோ தெரியாது. So lot of problems. Therefore, praising the jnanam, those who are not knowing the Atma, they are all equal to killers of Atma. They are all ignorant people, avidwan. Therefore, never miss the opportunity. Therefore, come to the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.